Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 8. I am your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed, subject teacher computer at Beria Foundation College, Noshar Firoz. Dear students, we have discussed some number systems in computer. That there are 4 number systems in computer. Number 1 is binary number system. We can say base 2 number system, octal number system, base 8 number system, hexadecimal number system, base 16 number system, decimal number system, base 10 number system. And also we have performed some conversions of number systems. In last lecture we studied or learned about converting hexadecimal number system into decimal number system, but today we are going to convert octal number system into decimal number system. Dear students, to convert octal number system into decimal number system, we use a specific method that is known as the expansion method. Dear students, in expansion method, we multiply the given number of octal number to convert into decimal number system. First of all, we will multiply each number system with the 8 because 8 is the base of the octal number system. So here is an example of converting. Here is an example of converting 74 into decimal number system. Convert 74 into decimal number system. First of all, we will multiply each digit with the 8. First of all, we will multiply 7 with 8, and secondly we will multiply 4 with 8. After multiply, we will put both numbers into brackets and we will put the powers starting from 0. Here 7 into 8 plus 7 into 8, we will put 0 on the 8 and we will put 1 to the second number. Now we will multiply 7 with 1. The answer will be 8 into 1. Answer is 8, and we will finally multiply 7 with 8. There will be 56. Here 4 into 8 power 0. First of all, we will solve the power of 8. When we will multiply 8 with 0, the answer will be 1. Now we will multiply 4 into 1. There will be 4. When we will sum or add 56 plus 4, the answer will be 8, and we will write down 60 base 10. So dear students, this is the answer to convert 74 into decimal. Solution is 7 into 8 bracket over plus 4 into 8 bracket over. Now we will put the powers starting from 0. Later on we will solve the equation or we will solve the brackets. So first of all, if a power is placed on a number, at first we should solve it. So when we will solve 8 power 1, the answer will be 8. Finally we will multiply 7 to 8, the answer will be 56, and in second bracket there is 4, and 4 into 1, the answer is 4. Finally we will add 56 into plus 4, the answer will be 60 decimal. So simply we can say that 7 octal are equal to 60 decimal answer. Dear students, this is the end of our lecture and the homework that is being given to you, that convert 656 octal number system into decimal number system. You will have to solve this. You will have to solve this sum and send me on WhatsApp group. Take care of your health. Be safe. Allah Hafiz.